How to disable ads for riders in Uber Eats app. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So are you getting bombarded with ads in your Uber Eats app? Well, in this video, I'll show you how to disable ads for riders in the Uber Eats app. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Uber Eats app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the profile icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And once you tap on it, you'll be prompted to the profile menu section. Now from here, you simply have to scroll down and tap on the option labeled as privacy. And now here, once you're inside the privacy, if you scroll down there, you can see the option labeled as ads for riders. So simply tap on it. And from here, you simply have to toggle off that first option, and that's it. Once you do that, you will be able to turn off ads personalization on rides. And that's how you can disable ads for riders in the Uber Eats app. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.